Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our exercise 1.5. Yesterday we did first and third question, and tomorrow we will start with our fifth question. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for A union B whole dash. This is the first part. You have to draw the Venn diagram. So this is universal set. This rectangle represents the universal set. Suppose this set is A and this set is B. Then what is A union B? This is your A union B, this green portion. Next, you have to take A union B dash. It means you have to exclude this portion from U. So, what will be left? This orange portion that represent A union B whole dash. Clear? Now next is its fourth part, that is A dash union B dash. Now what is A dash union B dash? Again, this is universal set. What is A dash? This is A, this is B. A dash is represented by this horizontal lines, blue horizontal lines. They represent A dash. It means you have to not consider A, rest you have to shade. Similarly, what is B dash? These vertical orange lines means you have excluded B, rest you have considered. Now A dash union B dash will be represented by the combination of these two. So this whole portion except this, there is nothing, there is no horizontal and vertical line in this portion. So excluding this portion, rest will be your A dash union B dash. And this is A intersection B na, so rest portion we may call it A intersection B whole dash. So A intersection B whole dash and A dash union B dash, the shading portion for both of them is same. So they are equal, and that was what? That was our De Morgan's law. Right? A intersection B whole dash was what? A dash union B dash. So from here we conclude that the De Morgan's laws, they can be verified by using Venn diagram. Now question number 6 is, if U is the set of triangles and A is the set of triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, then what is A dash? See, A dash is when you will exclude A from U. Means except A you have to write everything. So you have to write A dash. What is A? A is the set of triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. Means कम से कम एक एंगल 60 डिग्री से डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दो और तीनों 60 से डिफरेंट होने चाहिए. What will be its complement? That all three must be same. It means when all three are equal, it means this is the set of, your answer is A dash will be the set of equilateral triangles. So with this your 1.5 is over. Now there are two important formulas for exercise 1.6. So what is exercise 1.6? There are two important formulas. Suppose A and B are two finite sets such that their intersection is not phi. Means by Venn diagram, suppose this is the universal set, this set is A, this set is B. Then how many number of elements are there in A union B? This is the first formula. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Because when you will find A union B, number of elements in A union B, it will definitely from the Venn diagram this portion plus this portion minus this portion, because this portion is appearing two times now. So you will exclude it one time, right? So NA union B is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. And suppose A intersection B is 5, nothing is common. Then A union B, number of elements in A union B is equal to NA plus NB. And suppose there are 3 sets A, B, C, then number of elements in their union A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B, B intersection C minus C intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. So these are the two formulas on which your exercise 1.6 is based. So tomorrow we will start with the questions of 1.6 and some questions of miscellaneous. Thank you.